In this video, I will show you 9 tips to grow your LinkedIn followers organically. And if you wonder why you should listen to me, I have 24,000 followers on LinkedIn and some of my posts get more than 300 likes and 30,000 impressions. The first step to grow your LinkedIn followers is to clearly define your goals, because having a lot of LinkedIn followers is not useful if you don't leverage that to serve a precise goal like networking, sell a product, sell trainings, or sell services. Your LinkedIn post will bring people to your LinkedIn profile, and your LinkedIn profile need to be optimized so people want to send you DM, go to your YouTube channel, buy your courses, buy your services, or buy your products. So you need to clearly define what is your sales funnel and what precise actions you want your followers to make on your LinkedIn profile. So in my case, I publish on LinkedIn because I want people to go on my profile and discover Evaboot, the product I'm selling, or subscribe to my YouTube channel where I publish LinkedIn lead generation tutorials, also mentioning Evaboot, my product. That's why whatever your goal is with your LinkedIn profile, it needs to be optimized for conversion. So when someone lands on your profile, you have 2 seconds to make them understand what your profile is about. So for that, the most obvious thing is to use the banner to write your proposition value, and here your headline. So here I've written the proposition value of Evaboot, smartest LinkedIn sales navigator scraper, extra clicks on sales navigator, and find emails. And I also said that I help B2B businesses find more leads. And here I put the link to my YouTube channel. I also put forward here my best posts on the feature section, and again, link to my YouTube channel and the link to the Evaboot website. So to sum up, you can use the banner and here the headline and here the about section to detail your proposition value, and for your call to actions, so where your leads, your prospect need to click, you can use here this link and the feature section. And to have here this link activated, it's not activated by default on your LinkedIn profile. You need to activate the creator mode. That will also be useful to display here the number of followers you have and to put here the feature section at the top of your profile. So this is not activated by default on your LinkedIn profile. You need to activate what LinkedIn calls the creator mode. So for example, you can see here, if I deactivate it, so here you can see I don't have the hashtags anymore. I don't have the link. I don't have the follower count, and the feature section has been moved under the about section. So if you want to grow your LinkedIn followers and generate leads with your profile, better activate the creator mode by clicking on creator mode here, selecting your hashtags, and here you can see hashtag, link, followers, and feature section above the about section. And you also have the activity section with your latest post, so your followers can see the latest post you have published on your profile. You can see that creator mode offers a lot of features to optimize the conversion rate of your LinkedIn profile. The next tip is to clearly define your content strategy, because there are more and more people posting on LinkedIn, so you need to clearly define what is your expertise if you want to stand out. Because maybe you've seen LinkedIn influencers posting things like, if you want to have a successful company, you need to be nice with your employees. Like, oh, what a great discovery, like that sort of things, that only works if you are named Gary Vee, because these people, they are so famous, they can post anything and that will work. But for hustlers like us, that won't work. You need to start with a niche topic and brand yourself as an expert. Personally, I started posting about LinkedIn Sales Navigator because that topic wasn't well documented on LinkedIn. There was no like LinkedIn Sales Navigator influencer at that time, or people talking a lot about Sales Navigator and how to use it. That's why my post quickly reached a decent amount of likes. And then when you are more comfortable and you have a solid follower base, you can start posting generic business advice, but not before having at least 10K followers. And quick bonus tip for you guys, with my first post, I noticed that 3 types of posts were particularly successful: celebrations, tutorials, and stories. So what you can do is become an expert on a topic, share tutorials about it, share stories about it, and then celebrate your victories and your milestone with your followers. And with this strategy, you should see your follower count grow. The next tip is to batch and schedule your LinkedIn posts. A huge part of becoming successful on LinkedIn is to be consistent. You need to publish at least once a week, and whatever your rhythm is, you need to stick to it, and that will force you to produce content. There will be times when you won't have the inspiration nor the energy to produce content. And to anticipate these moments, you can do two things. Batch your LinkedIn post creation, meaning like writing 10 LinkedIn posts in a row, instead of connecting on LinkedIn and write one post a week. And use a scheduling tool to program the publications on your LinkedIn profile so you don't have to connect every week on LinkedIn to manually post your publication yourself. So personally, for that, I use Taplio, which is a really handy tool. So if you want to try it yourself, I will have the link in the description of this video. So it works like this. So you write your post here. You have the preview of your post, and you can even automate the first comment of your post. For example, you are posting about a webinar you are doing. And it's like first link of the webinar in the first comment. You can automate also this first comment with Taplio, and you can also add images. So once your post is ready, you simply add it to the queue, and your post here will be added to the time slot you have defined here. So you can define like time slots when you publish like every week, and then Taplio will automatically add this post in your queue. And you can see here, I have several posts programmed for the next 2 weeks. So every month, you can take half a day to write all your LinkedIn posts and schedule all of them for all the month. That way you are focused and you have peace of mind for the rest of the month. All the LinkedIn posts are published automatically on your profile. You just need to connect and reply to the comments. Next tip of this video is to use LinkedIn engagement tools. These tools allow you to create engagement group on LinkedIn and automatically get likes and comments from members of the group each time you publish on LinkedIn. They are often used to give your LinkedIn post an initial boost and increase the chances to get viral and appear on the feeds. They tend to have a bad reputation because many people don't use them correctly to get thousands of likes from complete strangers. However, there is a smart way to use them. The condition is that you create engagement pods with people you personally know. Here's the process. You create an engagement pod, you invite your friends and colleagues, you add your LinkedIn post links to the pod, and your friends and your colleagues will automatically like the posts. That way, you don't have to send DMs to all your friends and colleagues each time you publish a post to ask them to like it. There are many tools that are doing that, among them Lampod, Podawa, or Link Boost. I will also leave the links in the description. Tip number 7 is to reply to absolutely all the comments under your LinkedIn posts. Replying to all comments is essential to build a solid community, and there are 2 advantages to that. The first one is obviously that you are building relationships with the people that comment your posts. And the second one is that you increase the reach of your post because the LinkedIn algorithm take the number of comments into account. Plus the comment count under LinkedIn posts takes into account the replies as well. So the more you reply to your comments, the more your post looks viral. And you should also engage with other people's posts. You can expect to have dozens of comments under your LinkedIn posts if you are not doing this effort yourself. If you are consistently commenting other LinkedIn influencers' posts, there is a high chance that they will return the favor and also comment your LinkedIn posts. Taplio also make this really easy. So the second reason why I really like Taplio is that they get this amazing engage feeder, which you can access by clicking on here, CRM here, and engage. And basically, they will show you LinkedIn posts in your niche and allow you to post comments directly from their platform. So here, for example, I can write some comments and click on reply and do that for thousands of posts in just a few minutes. So their AI can detect posts for you, and you can also build list of people. So here I got few lists. Here I got a list of founders, for example, I know, and I can engage with their posts in just like 10 minutes a day and write dozens of comments like this. So instead of connecting on LinkedIn, going to the profile, looking for the post, adding a comment, you can go much faster here and write like 30 comments in just 5 minutes, and do that every day for 5 minutes, and you will see that you will build meaningful connections with other LinkedIn influencers. The last tip of this video is to expand your network, because when you publish a LinkedIn post, LinkedIn will first show it to your first degree connection. So the more you have first degree connections, the more you increase your chances to get likes and comments, because that's how the LinkedIn algorithm works. First, they show your post to your first degree connection. And if your first degree connections interact with it, like or commenting it, they will show it to their connection, so your second degree connection. And if their connection like and comment it, their connection, so your third degree connection, will see it as well in their feeds. That's how virality works on LinkedIn. So your mission here is to get as much likes and comments from your first degree connections. So of course, to get likes and comments, your post needs to be good, but it also helps to have a good amount of first degree connections. So to quickly expand your network, what you can do is go on the LinkedIn search for people, click on all filters and use filters like location, job title. Here, let's say I publish content about sales, so I want to connect with head of sales. So here I just need to scroll this list here, add some filters if I want to, and to send connection requests to these guys, I just need to copy paste the link here and go on phantombuster.com. I will also leave the link in the description, and look for the LinkedIn search to lead connection. And here just click on use this flow here. They will ask you to copy paste the search URL into that tool, and then they will start sending connection requests automatically to these people. That's a quick and easy way to expand your network on LinkedIn when you are just getting started. If you still have some questions on how to grow your LinkedIn followers, please feel free to put them in the comment section. I read and reply to every comment. Thanks for watching, guys, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.